Good evening, friends. All the world is a stage. All men and women are mere players. Every man has entrance as well as every man has exit. Yes, one man has 7 stages to cross. Before cross, before we cross that 7 ages, we have to travel all around the world. It is impossible because of our financial crisis. You need not to go around the world, but I would like to round the world before you. Yeah, I will rotate. This world is rotate itself and also rotate that sun around. 1 year coming around the sun is known as that 1 year. 365 days. In the leap year, 367 days is considered regarding for this. If 1 day rotation from morning to one more morning is 24 hours, it 12 hours from half of the stage, and 12 hours is day and 12 hours is night. So start from India. India is a daytime. Here India is there. Sun is in that top of that place. Now this rotating, when it is come, and this place is a dark day. Only very soon we will get. It is 4 o'clock, I think so. Nearly 4 o'clock going to strike. After that we will get. Then again it will travel to come to that focus line of the sun. The sun is not set, it is not rise every day. It's permanently remain in one place. Non-stop reaction is happening. Nuclear fusing reaction and is happening in that sun, and the sun is remain stable, and it is revealed by Galileo after 2000 years ago. After 2000 years, Galileo only declared, and people used to that the earth is the center of the world. But Galileo only identified and discovered, and the sun is the center of the world. This earth is also moving. When that how that India is daytime, where is that America? America is here. Yes, America is here. How much distance? If that sun is in this direction, so India goes beyond this line, then America will come. The America start to come this United States in that. Now they are in the night time. This America is behind this. Now India is in that daytime. In the while rotation of this earth, India will go back of that sun. Then United States come in the daytimes. These are that miracles happen. The American, but these countries and the small island, where is that in the world globe? In the world globe, where is that England? Very small area. On the top of that, Ireland, Scotland, and England. These three things are called United Kingdom. Yes, the small area than that is Sri Lanka. Sri Lanka is look at that, and half of the Sri Lanka. But this small area land people, by their religion's power and by their knowledge and wisdom, and by experience of that slave life, they build that very strong physical power as well as that spiritual power. They established that colony into that. This small group of the people and controlled this. There is that island. From this area to, they have traveled to the United States of America while crossing that North Pacific Ocean. They have sailed and established first colony here, United States. Then established all the adjacent area like Canada as well as this Mexico, and also host of Jamaica and Colombia and Guyana. Is many countries, more than 65 countries, they have established. Even that Egypt, Sudan, Nigeria, most they have established that Mongolian, this island, small land people is also and established their colony in all area like Mongolians ruled China, Japan, North Korea. North Korea, South Korea is a very small uh, place. They are also threatening that the huge area of peoples like United States. Here it is that North Korea, South Korea is here. Where is that United States? After crossing with China and Mongolia and Pakistan and India, where is that United States? And they are giving great threats to that United States. United States is there. The North Korea, South Korea. Why this America afraid with that? And regarding for this, they are leading because they are in the honest side and also the very honest and truthful and virtuous way of life. They are leading from yes. After saying that it is one Magellan, yes, one person is started his journey from one point to another point. As per the Bible, this world is that flat surface. After traveling all around the world, the Magellan is traveling by the ship, sailing by the ship from this North Pacific Ocean as well as here South Pacific Oceans and North Atlantic Oceans, here South Atlantic Oceans, then Indiana Oceans, and North Pacific Oceans, and many more. So, in this Indian Pacific, Indian Brigadier, they traveled there, finally returned after some time. He started his journey with 500 sailors, but the end of the journey, he remained only that a few sailors along with Magellan. Is said that the world is not flat; it is that round surface, rounded. It is that globe and it is a football like. This world is also non-stoply with the equilibrium with the gravitational forces. It is a certain specific constant speed. It is rotating itself as well as it's rotate that the sun around it. Then only is day and night. All the seasons like winter, autumn, summer, and spring. This kind of season is also occur. We are also leading very peaceful and happy life from there. The functions of this world, if stopped means that is that earthquake. When it is again move this, it's a normal function of this earth. It should not be stopped. Just like our heart. The heart is also working continuously to circulate the blood all around the world. In the similar manner, the blood and our body function, blood circulation is important. Blood circulation is happen by function of this non-stop function of the heart and lungs, the body and that movement. This good condition of this world is also and is happens by the movement of these rotations of this earth only. The rotation stopped means the earth blood, which is that earth blood. Blood means that is water is that earth blood. Whether it is saline water or that fresh water or any other water. Yeah, when you are hot water and soft water, but it is not Tasmak water. Tasmak water is only contain consists only the bottle. If that people consume that, they will rotate themselves, rotate themselves and also walking. So this Nikama Sutrada Bhumi, this world is continuously rotating for this more than and 60 more than 5,000 years, 10,000 years continuously. God, who is rotating this world like this? I am rotating this ball unless it stands self. You can see only this. So all the world, Mongolia is the most courageous the people, and also this in all blue colors represent that sea. The one third of the land is land is earth. Another is that full of water is there. But why is that water scarcity in our area? The groundwater level. India is here. If you look at here, India is here. Now this our government is also decide to change this India into the Bharat. Here Indian Ocean is there. Can he change that Bharat Ocean? Huh? The record what is made with the other people. After that we have to make all our voter ID, all our PAN card, Aadhaar card, ration card, everything we have to put that Bharat. Who will meet the expenditure? They are giving a problem for one of first 5 years. They are giving problem to the people connecting the number instead of that connecting the rivers. So many rivers also moving here and there. They have to connect the river to give that peaceful and good life. Instead of connecting river, they have connected the number, Aadhaar card number, ration card number, voter ID number, bank number. What is that number? Use of that number. But nowadays they are changing that name means who will bear? The government must give meet all the expenditure of changing that document to this all and 130 crore people document. How much amount will meet? Amount should be given. First they have to deposit the amount to get that document to live here. After that they have to change the name of the country, whatever it may be. You can change this land into the America or Britain or Bharath or ஏதோ ஒரு ரத்து கூட பண்ணுங்க. But meet the it won't give any difficulties and Atlantic Ocean and many more. இல்லையா Canada next thing பார்த்தீங்கன்னா Canada and also this United States of America, how much largest one? India is how much large? The Great Brazil, the largest grassland area. It is also this poultry farm and Brazil is there. Then Argentina is and many more places and Colombia, Venezuela, and all this kind very largest Sudan, Libya, Algeria, எல்லாம் powerest the cursed countries. The people remains with that aesthetic way of life. Science and technology is not spread to this area. The land and water, everything is in pure conditions regarding for this. But that India is polluted and United States and China, how much? China is the largest populated country in this world. Second place occupied by that India. India is look like a beautiful. The people are very dangerous regarding for this. Thailand, yeah, Thai. What is that Thai? Mother is land. Is a Thailand, motherland. Bharat, Mada, Mongolia, Korea. See that Korea, where but it is very small and area. North Korea, South Korea. But these countries also not possible to make unity. But it is diversity. One country is adjacent with China, another country adjacent with the United States of America. இங்கே இருந்து இவ்வளோ how much distance? North Korea is alliance with which countries are? North Korea. South Korea is with America. North Korea with China. Yeah, these both countries supporting to destroy this. But North Korea is South Korea is highly fertile and good and prosperous land. These two countries are and extracting the wealth of both countries by adding that poison and separating diverse faction. Yeah, one country is a faction with China. China will be developed. America will be developed. North Korea and South Korea will get destroyed because these two countries, like how that the Libya, Somalia is destroyed, Nigeria, Somalia is destroyed by this America and all other developed countries. The same manner, one day this North Korea, South Korea will get the problem. After that, we are also adjacent with that America. and also we are adjacent with Russia. If we go with Russia, we will not get any problem. If we go with America, America is just like a world bloodbath, and this fellow is wherever which country is reliant, that a country will be destroyed, that America will be strengthened. America just like a cockroach. It can eat everything. It can and have the property of that any nation and any country. This country will be remaining in the top position and good positions. Now also we are getting some problem with Mexico. Mexico, we are getting problem. So Indian embassy is closed in Mexico. The Mexican embassy in India is also closed. We have sent their ambassador to that Mexico, and ambassadors, Indian ambassador has come from there. Some of the misunderstanding which was happened to that people, because Indians are giving more support to that America importance. That's why Mexico plans to come to this the Brazil or some other Brazil. Where is that? Brazil and many more places, Algeria, Libya. Libya, it is our one of the our colleague also, and used to work in that inter college English department. Now he is working in Libya in that country. First he had worked here, got resigned his post, and he had gone working in that Libya. Now all the peoples are working. Turkey is also one of these famous, powerful. Turkey is also ruled Ukraine. There is a fight between Ukraine and Russia. Russia is that vast land, largest land. Russia and United States only having that maximum land surface. Next to that, Brazil. Brazil also having. China is also having sufficient land. The China and Indian earth surface is filled with only population, human population. All other states, only the United States is filled with that in scientific technology, and many more things are important to giving. And over there, and Bolivia is that smallest country. India make that agreement compact with Bolivia to spare that pure water to all the drinking water facilities to and all the houses. They only instead and implemented. Bolivia people make an agreement with Narendra Modi to spare that drinking water to all the people without any problem. So Bolivian peoples also after that and all the things will be taken over by the Bolivia. But we don't have rights to keep even water in the syntax tanks or that underground tanks on that and overhead tanks which we don't have rights. We don't have rights to store water in the rivers, store water in that lake. We only have to purchase water, get water. How much water? Only they have to give for 100 liter, 50 liter, 1%. Beyond that, we cannot have rights to use. This is a very dangerous policy. This country was and affected with that concept of water management and many more things. But our Indian government is also put contract with that failure policy into our India. That's why we are putting meter for water. Meter for water is what? Water is that and living the base commodity to live peace and happy life in this world. For that is also giving a and meter means what? We are living in that lunar surface, or we are living in that some other planet which is in that place. We are not living in that very much water-rich land area. So it is focused daily. We have to South America. Saudi Arabia, here Saudi Arabia. We were ruled by Saudi Arabian rulers, Mongolian rulers, and United Kingdoms, and British rulers ruled, and but most part of this ruled. Brazilian United States is also ruling now. The United States established their business connection all over the world countries, all over the countries. They are running business after getting the education from the American university. Immediately the scholars moved to and sit assembled and settled with their green card function, started their companies and also selling their commodities, taken property to the United States. Then only this country is a very, very, very big and green color. The green color stands for very wealthy, highly and prosperous in nature at many more places. This a very yellow color is a poverty regarding in that, and it is also India in another rose color is represent for developing in nature. I think so. The blue colors represent. What is this separate country? In Australia is Australia. Our Indian people time to time should go for playing with cricket in that Australia. This is the land. It's a very pure and green in color. It is also mentioning for this. The sea route to that all places. You can go by water in all places to strengthen, give more life to that India. In many places, many part of the India, it is lacks of water. In that water on all four sides, many places, many countries to become like a lunars, become like a moon and Chandrayaan. You have to give life to this earth is more important than and study about that dead planet and also giving life. You cannot give life because you are not God. You are only human beings, but you have the power to and destroy anything. You don't have power to and give life to anything. Thank you, friends. Come along with me. And now we have traveled all over the world. We had come across the many things about this. Thank you, friends. We will watch it. I hope that definitely you will subscribe, share, and also like my videos. Don't fail to give comment whatever it may be. Thank you so much for all my subscribers and so far extend your helping hands and supporting me to give this kind of information to the world. Also, we have to develop that spiritual and power in this world rather than material power. We must give importance to that spiritualism only make the man into the perfect, but materialism make man into the and is into a mad person. The mad person cannot work for himself as well as to others, and he will become the great burden to the world. Try to give a life to this world, and nature should be sustained and protected rather than anything in this world. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.